Hello everyone, my name is Rimsha Naaz, and today we are going to perform certain experiments. So let's start with our experiment number 1. The name of our experiment number 1 is capillary action. For this experiment, we have used some toothpick. Break the toothpick from the center and arranged it in a star pan water in the center and see what happened next. The water travels to the tip of the broken toothpicks and arranged itself. How does it happen? Let's study the science behind it. The adhesive force between the water and the wooden toothpick is stronger than its cohesive force inside the water itself. The adhesive force pulls the water molecules into the narrow spaces within the wood. This process is called as capillary action. Now let's see where else capillary action can be seen. It can also be seen in plants. Let's move on to our next experiment. Experiment number 2. The name of our experiment is pencil electrolysis. For this experiment, we are going to use a battery, table salt, a glass filled with water, 2 pencils. Let's start. Pour some warm water into a glass and stir in a tablespoon of salt. Take a small piece of cardboard, cut it in a circular shape, do 2 holes in it and stuck the pencil inside it. Make sure the pencils are sharpened at both ends. Place the pencils into the water, but do not allow the tips to touch. Connect each node of the battery to a pencil. Now, water becomes part of a circuit. As electricity flows through the pencil as well as the water, this process quickly creates bubbles at the submerged pencil tips. Now, let's study the science behind it. The energy of the electron in the circuit is enough to break the water into hydrogen and oxygen ions, electrically charged version of the elements. These flow to the opposite charged pencil tip, creating an electric current. At the negative pencil tip, that is cathode, positively charged hydrogen ions meet and form hydrogen that bubbles to the surface. The positive pencil tip, that is anode, draw the negative oxygen. This is electrolysis of water, the method used on an industrial scale to produce hydrogen. Now let's see where else electrolysis can be used. A third experiment. Experiment 3. The name of an experiment is the best properties of water. For this experiment, we are going to take a plastic cup and pour water in it. Do not fill the glass, just add a little amount of water to it. Then, we'll burn the cup. Do it carefully. Make sure your hand doesn't burn. Allow the plastic to burn and let's see what happens. Water is filled is not burning. Since the water absorbs heat, preventing the plastic from reaching its ignition temperature and melting. The water has a high calorific capacity that allows a good absorption of heat produced by the candle flame. The water ensures that the temperature outside the cup is always lower than the plastic inflammation temperature. Let us also take a look at applications. Thank you so much for watching.